Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of fashion with what I consider to be one of the best women's linen cardigans available right now. We're talking about the GRECERELLE women cardigan sweater. If you're looking for something lightweight, stylish, and perfect for any season, this might just be the piece for you. Let's start with the basics. The GRECERELLE cardigan is crafted from high-quality acrylic fabric, ensuring it's not only soft and comfortable but also durable and easy to care for. It comes in a variety of sizes, catering to different body types from small to XX large, and offers a range of colors to suit your personal style. One of the standout features of this cardigan is its versatility. Whether you're layering up in the cool autumn breeze or using it as a chic cover-up on a sunny beach day, this cardigan adapts effortlessly to your wardrobe needs. The open front design and loose drape give it a relaxed, bohemian feel that's both flattering and comfortable. Now, let's talk about how you can style this cardigan. For a casual look in the fall, pair it with your favorite jeans and ankle boots. The relaxed fit adds an easygoing vibe to any outfit. In the summer, throw it over a swimsuit at the beach for a touch of sun protection and effortless style. It's truly a year-round wardrobe staple. To wrap up, the GRECERELLE women cardigan sweater is a fantastic choice. If you're looking for a versatile, lightweight layering piece that doesn't compromise on style or comfort, it's affordable, easy to care for, and perfect for transitioning between seasons. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and styling tips. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there's another product you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.